इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will share some incredibly useful home and kitchen organization ideas. These tips are especially handy for renters or those dealing with limited storage space at home. Before we start, I would like to request all of you that when considering the products showcased in this video, please make thoughtful purchases based on your actual needs. Let's avoid impulse shopping. Now, let's begin. If you don't have a proper dressing table or lack storage space within it, let's first focus on organizing your makeup and jewelry. The first product is this cosmetic organizing rack. It features segregated sections offering ample space for perfumes, cosmetics, daily grooming kits, and more. The drawers add extra convenience for storing various items comfortably. This organizer is quite sturdy and comes in various color options. You can also use it in your bathroom to organize toiletries and essentials if your bathroom lacks storage. I found the price to be very reasonable, ranging between Rs 300 to 350 online. Now that we have organized our cosmetics, let's tackle the storage for makeup brushes. I came across this fantastic makeup brush organizer that caught my attention. It also comes with the cover to protect brushes from dust. With different sections for segregation and the ability to rotate, accessing your preferred brushes becomes effortless. Its design is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, making it a beautiful addition to your dressing table. Additionally, you can use it as a pen holder on your work desk if you wish. This organizer is available online in various designs and colors, typically priced between Rs 400 to Rs 500. Now that our makeup and brushes are organized, let's move on to organizing jewelry. For daily wear jewelry, I found a wooden base and metal top organizer quite appealing. It's easy to fix and can be placed on your dressing table or inside your closet. This organizer features different sections for various types of jewelry. In the middle, there are 4 strips for earrings, providing ample space for organizing many pairs. Below, there is space for daily wear bangles, though it is limited. Additionally, you can hang 4 to 5 necklaces above. The wooden base offers extra space for storing additional jewelry. This organizer is particularly useful for those who wear jewelry to the office daily. However, if you wear jewelry occasionally, it may not be suitable as it can gather dust if left outside, potentially damaging your jewelry. Storing it inside the closet can protect your jewelry from dust. The cost is around Rs 1200, which I personally found a bit high. Next in line is my favorite acrylic earring organizer. I always struggle to keep my small earrings organized until I found this box, which has neatly arranged all my earrings. What I love most about it is its transparency, allowing easy visibility of all earrings. This 2-tier organizer has space for larger earrings below and a removable tray on top for small earrings and studs. It's a cute and elegant arrangement that not only keeps your earrings organized but also protected from dust. It looks beautiful on dressing table and is reasonably priced at around Rs 400 online. Next up is this beautiful and elegant cake stand which you may have seen in my house before. Its metal legs and heavy stone top make for a stunning combination. Typically used in table setups to display cakes, cupcakes and other treats beautifully, it is also versatile for various areas in the house. This stand is great for adding a bit of elevation while organizing or decorating any space, dramatically changing its overall appearance. In the kitchen, it is handy for organizing tea sugar containers or oil dispensers. You can use these stands in many areas around the house to add a touch of elegance and elevation. I even used it to organize and enhance my coffee station last year. Online, you can find them priced around Rs 600 to 800. Now let's head to the kitchen. Up next is a fridge container with 6 small inserts, each designed like a colander with gaps. You may have seen similar large containers trending lately which are great for preserving vegetables. This container is perfect for storing daily kitchen ingredients like curry leaves, garlic, ginger, green chilies and coriander leaves in one place while keeping them separated. The inserts are cleverly designed to prevent moisture buildup, ensuring your ingredients stay fresh. Any excess moisture drains from the bottom, preventing spoilage. Having daily use ingredients easily accessible in one place can greatly streamline your cooking routine, saving your time and effort. These containers are priced between Rs 150 to Rs 200. Next up is this metal over-the-shelf stem glass organizer. You can insert it into a shelf of your crockery unit like this and easily hang your stem glasses. This organizer ensures that delicate stem glasses are well organized without the need for a fixed rack installation. It optimizes vertical space efficiently, allowing you to utilize the space below for other crockery or glasses as well. It is priced at around Rs 350. Nowadays, with every family member having different gadgets and phones at home that need daily charging, a cable management box cum charging station can be a lifesaver. If you're short on plug points and your family members struggle to charge their gadgets, this charging station can be incredibly helpful. Here you can see there is just one plug point and I have placed the box on the table. Inside it looks like this with a compartment for extension box where you can place all your charges. There is a lid above through which the charging pins need to be passed and fixed. Simply connect your gadgets and phones to the chargers and place them comfortably on the lid. They fit easily and you don't need to leave them scattered around. This box keeps all the cables hidden, making your living space look neat and tidy while conveniently charging all your gadgets in one place. I personally found it very useful. You can find it online priced between Rs 150 to Rs 250. With the numerous daily use phones and gadgets, the charging cables tend to clutter our drawers. I find this acrylic sectional organizer perfect for keeping them organized. It comes with cable ties for added convenience. Simply tie up your cables and store them separately in this box. This makes it easy to access a specific cable when needed. Because of its sections, you can also use it for organizing other items in the house, such as nail pins or lipsticks. It is priced around Rs 300. Today, almost everyone has Wi-Fi router at home for internet access. However, the cables from the Wi-Fi router often create a cluttered look in the area where it is placed. To neatly conceal the Wi-Fi router and its cables, I found the Wi-Fi router hider box to be a great solution. This 3-tier box allows you to place different extensions and connectors at various levels with dedicated space at the top for the Wi-Fi router, including room for the antennas to extend properly. It is designed with open sides and honeycomb gaps to allow cables to pass through easily without affecting Wi-Fi connectivity. I have used only 2 levels here by removing the base, and you can see how tidy and clutter-free the area looks. The price seemed a bit high to me at Rs 12.99, but the neatness it brings is worth it. That's all for today. You will find links to all the products shown in the video in the description box. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share this video with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more such content. Now we'll see you all next week. Till then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.